What's good, YouTube? Yo, I haven't been on this in forever, and I apologize, y'all. I've been so busy, man, but yo, I don't know if y'all can tell to the camera, but the neglect with my car, y'all, like, oh, it's been so, look how dirty their wheels are. You can't even see from that angle. Oh my god, gee, yeah, this gotta get clean. It gotta get clean, they're so dirty. Jeez. Yeah, that gotta get clean. Yeah, the whole car filthy. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean this up, give y'all a nice little time lapse while I'm washing this thing up real quick. Bring it back to life, man. She ain't been getting no love lately. I've been so busy with school, y'all. So that's why the uploads have been like slowing down. I haven't been able to post as much as I want. I really haven't been doing like much with school, so I've kind of had to focus on that. But yo, we about to get them back popping. Don't worry about it. But yep, let me get to cleaning this though.
Yeah, we are in the place to be.
You guys can see, I know it's fucking color rock now, but I've been cleaning this all day. It looks like glass. I'm able to finally polish everything. Look at that. You see the reflection. Rims is polished. It's finally able to polish the whole car. Look at that. It's dark. I'll see you again in the morning once I get some better lighting. But yeah, I was able to completely polish the car just like the last. Polish the back rim, it's definitely the perfect, super glossy. Look at that, perfect. That's all it is, girl. Super clean. So yeah, just wanted to give it a little something, man. I haven't been on Instagram in a while. I'm not on Instagram. Sorry, y'all. Blooper. I haven't been on YouTube in a while. I've been so focused on school. So I just wanted to give you a little something. But don't worry, I got two things coming up. I got a show this week. At an event that's local around here. And then I also have a prank that I'm doing. I want y'all to stay tuned. And if y'all have any pranks that y'all want me to try, comment them or DM me. I got a prank. I'm thinking about doing it on my brother. This car. Stay tuned. This will be funny, but I think I'm gonna prank him with this car. Tell me what y'all think, man. Thank you for watching my video. Appreciate y'all. Peace.